You now got an introduction to Node.js and how it works and how you can use it to write basic Node.js programs. But what you also already saw is that with Node.js alone, you have to write a lot of code to deal with basic things like extracting the body of an incoming request. Now, typically you don't want to do that. You want to focus on your business logic, the code that makes up your specific application. You don't want to work or you don't want to care about standard tasks like handling incoming requests or routing, so executing different code for different paths, different URLs. You don't want to do that, and therefore, we'll now have a look at Express.js. This is a framework you can install as a third-party package into your Node project, and as such, it basically helps you outsource some of that nitty-gritty work, some of these details you don't want to care about. It gives you a rule set in which you work and a lot of utility functions that help you write cleaner code and focus on your core business. So what's inside this module then? We'll have a brief look at what Express.js is. I gave you a short introduction already now, but let's take a closer look. I'll then have a look at one important concept that pretty much defines Express.js, or that Express.js is built around, middleware, and what this is, of course. We'll then have a look at how we can work with requests and responses with the help of Express in a way easier way than we did thus far. And we'll also have a look at routing and see how we can execute different code for different incoming requests and paths or URLs without having to write a bunch of if statements. And last but not least, I will also show you how we can return HTML pages, so files we prepared, to our client instead of writing HTML code in Node.js as we did thus far, which wasn't really that great. So let's dive into all of that in this module.